Got no time? Got a test? It's time to cram.
Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope you're doing well. Never give up. Never give up efforts. Even if you fail, the benefit you derive is experience. Mathematics is not about numbers, equations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. If these questions comes in board exams, which are going to be explained in this video, which step will fetch the most marks, give your comment in comment box. Welcome to Maths by Murtaja sir. In this video, we are going to solve students SSLC Model Question Paper 4 Part 1. As you know, in the previous Part 1, Part 2 and previous Model Paper 1, 2 and 3 fully we have solved. So they are very important for the upcoming board examination. So let us start today's video. We will start with the question number 1, multiple choice questions. First question is, the zeros of the polynomial px equal to x square minus 3 are dash. So here, how we will find the zeros of the polynomial? So we will write polynomial x square minus 3 equal to 0. Then by transposition method x square equal to 3. Again next step, if we will take the square root, then plus or minus root 3. So that is why plus 3 and minus root 3. So answer is B. So in that way, if the numbers are changed in board examination, you have to find the answer. This is a very easy and understandable method. Next question. In the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, if a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2, then the lines represented by them are dash. So we know that first if two we know that first two ratios equal and the third ratio C1 upon C2 is not equal, then lines are parallel. There are no solutions. So answer is parallel lines, option C. Next question, question number 3. The quadratic equation among the following is dash. So this is not a quadratic equation. If we multiply x with x square, then it is a cube. So it is also not a quadratic equation. If we multiply x with x, then x square we are getting. But this x square and x square of LHS are going to be cut. So here term of x square will not remain. So this is also not a quadratic equation. Here if you multiply, then x square plus x equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation B. Next question, if P and Q are co-primes, then the HCF of P square and Q square is dash. So they are the co-prime number. So in between these two number and their square, nothing is common. So their HCF is 1. Okay, students. Next question. ABCD is a parallelogram. P is a point on BC. If AB and DP are produced to meet L, here AB and DP, it is produced to L, then the correct relation among the following is this. So students, we know that These are the parallel lines by parallelogram. So using the Thales theorem or BPT theorem, it is very clear that these triangles are similar. So, and only we use the BPT theorem, then we have the proportion dP upon PL equal to AB upon BL. So that is why the answer is A. Next question. The lower limit of the model class in the given frequency distribution is dash. Now, model class we know that by the highest frequency 12, and this is the model class and the lower limit is 30. So our answer is 30, option C. Next question. Which of the following can be the probability of an event? Can be. Here we have to find which one. This is not, it is a negative. It is 3 by 2 means more than 1. So it is also not. 105% it also not be the probability because more than 100%. So our answer is 0.7. 0.7 means 7 by 10 and it is less than 1. So this is the correct answer. Next question. If 6x and 14 are in arithmetic progression, then the value of x is this. So let us try to find the difference between the consecutive term. So d equal to x minus 6 and again d equal to, for the third and second term, 14 minus x. We know that a common difference always equal. So if we compare them, then x minus 6 equal to 14 minus x. After solving this equation, we know that x plus x equal to 14 plus 6. So it gives us 2x equal to 20. So x equal to 20 by 2 equal to 10. So our answer is A10. So this is the question number 1. Now look, in question number 1 MCQs, how the questions were and how we by the shortcut easy method we solved them. Same way we are going to solve the question number 2. Answer the following questions. Stay with us, solve your doubt and get your good marks in board examination. I hope you will get very good marks in your board examination. So continue and stay always with the channel Time to Cram. Direct answer from question number 9 to 16, full marks should be given. Direct answer. So here if in this question 9 to 16, if we will not do any calculation, then it's okay. Direct answer is also valid. So question is what? Okay, how many solutions do the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0 have if the lines represented by them are intersecting? We know that if the lines represented by them are intersecting, intersecting means in that way. So there is a one point only. So answer is one solution or unique solution. Next question. Write a quadratic polynomial p of x whose zeros are alpha and beta. So we know that this is the formula to write the quadratic formula with zeros alpha and beta. Okay, p of x equal to x square minus into the bracket alpha plus beta bracket complete multiply by x plus alpha into beta. Next question. If the first term of an arithmetic progression is m and the common difference is 3, then find the 10th term of the progression. First term is given already, a equal to m, and the difference is given b equal to 3. We will take the nth term formula and in this formula we will keep the values as per the 10th term. So here, after keeping the value and solving the value, we are getting the 10th term formula in terms of m is A10 equal to m plus 27. So this is the answer in terms of m. Next question, find the distance of the point minus 3, 4 from the origin. This question so many times came in the board examination. So origin means what? Okay, coordinates are 0, 0. After using the distance formula, look, distance formula x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So it is converted in the form x square plus y square in the square root. After keeping all the value properly, we have square root 25 and answer is square root of 25 is 5 and 5 units. Next question. What is the value of 10a into cot a minus cos a into sec a? We know that 10a and cot a are multiplicative inverse of each other. So in place of cot a we will write 1 upon 10a. Same way cos a and sec a are multiplicative inverse of each other. So again we will keep 1 upon cos a in place of sec a. So they are easily cut. You can see that, student. So what you will get, 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Very easy, looking difficult, but if we know the concept of the trigonometry properly, we can get the answer easily. And you take the help of this video, prepare your answer, don't worry. You will get the correct answer. You will able to write the correct answer in a board examination. Next question, find the volume of a cube of age 6 centimeter. So cube formula of volume is a cube, side to the power 3. So after keeping the value of side 6 age, then 6 cube and answer is 216 centimeter cube. Next question, student. A vertical pole of length 6 centimeter cast a shadow like that. Okay, 6 centimeter pole of 6 centimeter cast a shadow 4 meter long, 4 meter long on the ground. At the same time, a building, suppose this is the building, cast a shadow 28 meter long. So we have to find the height of the building. So here we know that these are the right triangle and they are the similar triangle. So we can we can easily prove their similarity. And after that we can take the ratios as 6 by, this is the h is equal to 4 by 28. Okay, students. So after the transposition we will get the value of h equal to 42 meter. Next question, find the surface area of a sphere of radius 7 centimeter. So surface area of sphere formula is 4 pi r square. Values are given. If we keep the values, then answer is 616 centimeter square. Next question, question number 3. Answer the following questions. Each question contains 2 marks. Here we have to show the very good calculation for the answers. First question, find how many 2-digit numbers are divisible by 3. So first of all, 2-digit number is given. 2-digit number means they starts from 10 and on 99. Out of them we have to write numbers divisible by 3. So first number, 2-digit number is 12. and last number is 99. Look, for writing this step we are eligible for half marks. Now here the value of A is 12, the difference is 3 and the last term is 99. This is the term formula half mark for right. Now keeping the correct value also we are getting the half marks, and after solving the linear equation and getting the n equal to 30 we are getting the full marks here. So students, learn and prepare the sum and get your full marks in board examination. Always stay connected with the channel Time to Cram. If these videos are helpful to you, then subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon. Thank you students. Let us go for the next question. This is the internal option for the above question. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression given here. So the value of A is 11, the difference is 4, number of terms is 20 and we have to find S20. Write the formula half mark. Keep the values half mark. Look, for keeping the correct values half mark, and then after solving it again the step by step we are getting the marks and full marks 2 marks, and answer is S20 equal to 980. Okay students, let us go ahead. Now next question is also, you can see here it has an internal option. What value of k, the roots of the equation kx square plus 6x plus 1 equal to 0 are equal. Okay, this is the quadratic equation. What is the value of k for this quadratic equation? Here it is given that the roots are equal. We know that discriminant is 0 when the roots are equal. So from the given quadratic equation we have to find a equal to k. A is the coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x and c is the constant term. Keep this value in the discriminant formula, simplify it, you will get the value of k as 9. And here you can see, the marks of the each step here. Okay. Now in the internal option, the question is find the roots of the quadratic equation. Here you have to find the roots of the quadratic equation. So you will have two methods. One is a factorization and another is the quadratic formula. It is your choice. So split the middle term as a minus 5x plus 2x, because minus 5 plus 2 minus 3 and minus 5 multiplied by 2 is minus 10. So for that half marks, then after making the proper factor and writing them, means the roots of the equation, we will get our 2 marks here. Okay, let us go for the next sum. Prove that 5 minus root 2 is an irrational number. So we know that for this sum we have to use a contradiction method. So we will suppose this number is a rational number. If this number is a rational number, then it can be written in the form of a upon b, where a and b are co-prime. What is the meaning of co-prime? They do not have any common factor and the denominator never be 0. Now let us move 5 minus root 2 from here and a upon b from RHS to LHS. Then we will get the equation in that way. Now after simplifying this, we are getting 5b minus a divided by b, LCM v2. So here it is clear, b is an integer, a is integer and in denominator b is integer. So this addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, only the giving the rational number. So RHS is rational number but LHS is irrational number. So it is very clear that root 2 is irrational number and the RHS is a rational number. So this is the contradiction with our assumption. So that is why our assumption is wrong. So this thing also we have written, it is impossible. So that is why our supposition is not correct. So root 5 5 minus root 2 is an irrational number. So in that way, by the assumption and contradiction method, we have to prove the given irrational number as a irrational number. So now next question is solve the given pair of linear equations. So here method is not given, so we will use our easiest method, elimination method. So we will write both the equation one below to other. You can see here, okay, here y having the same sign. So we have to subtract both the equation. So sign will be changed. So here minus will come, here plus will come. Means here plus will come, here minus will come. So they are cut. 3x minus 2x, x, 15 minus 5, 10, and answer is x equal to 10. So this value x equal to 2, if we substitute equation number 2, then we will get the value of y here. So x equal to 10 and y equal to 15 are the values of given variables in both pair of linear equations. Next question, students. Okay, if the coordinates of the midpoint of the line segment joining the points A46 and BXY are 6, 5, then find the coordinates of point B. It's like that. Okay, they are the points A and B, and this is the dividing point 6, 5, and it is the midpoint. So we have to use the midpoint formula. Okay, P of xy equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Keep the respective value properly here. It is very easy sum. So after keeping the value, we are getting y equal to 4. So the coordinates of point B x y equal to 8, 4. Next question. If the product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is this 2, 3, 6, 6, and HCF is 13, then find their LCM. If one of the number is 91, so first of all, this is what? Okay? HCF multiplied by LCM and A multiplied by B is the product of the numbers. Look, half marks. Now make the L subject here. So A into B divided by H. Now the value of A and B means what? Okay, product of two numbers. And this product of two numbers is equal to H multiplied by L. And H multiplied by L is given here as a 2366. So we will keep here 2366 and HCF is a 13, it is given. So after division we will getting L equal to 182. L is what here? Okay, L is a LCM. Now again we will write this formula. Now we want to find a number B here. So H into L. We know that okay, H into L is what? Okay, HCF and LCM. After keeping their value and dividing by the given number A equal to 91, we will get B equal to 26. Okay, students. So learn it, very easy and understandable method, and go and get your full marks in board examination. Next question. In the figure, if the measure of hypotenuse is twice the opposite side of the alpha, angle alpha, then find the value of cos alpha. So here this is the angle alpha. So hypotenuse is double than the side, opposite side of the angle alpha. So AC is double than the BC. So first we have to write, it is given. Now we will take the sine ratio, sine alpha. So we know that opposite upon hypotenuse. So as per the alpha, opposite is BC and hypotenuse as it is AC. Now BC we will keep as it is, and in place of AC we are keeping 2BC. Why? Because here we derived AC equal to 2BC. So here BC cut, so we are getting half here. So sin alpha equal to half. If you have learnt and prepared a trigonometric table, then you know that half is what? Sine 30. So after that sine will cut and alpha equal to 30 degree. Now after this you have to find the value of cos 30. Sorry, find the value of cos alpha. So cos alpha here, look in the diagram, alpha is given here. So now for this angle we are finding cos alpha. So cos alpha equal to cos 30. Cos 30 by the trigonometric table root 3 by 2. So this is the value of cos alpha. Next sum. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle, AB is the diameter and AP is the tangent drawn at the point A. Here, if angle OCB is angle OCB means this. So it is 25, then find the measure of angle APB means this angle. This angle is outside the circle, but it is on the tangent which is making the point of contact at A. Now this is given angle OCB equal to 25. If we consider this triangle, then OB equal to OC, they are equal radii. So uh, this is isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, if the sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. So angle OBC equal to angle OCB equal to 25, they are equal. So that is why angle PAB equal to, we got here angle OBC from this relationship. Now angle PAB is 90 degree. That we know that, yeah, it is 90 degree because it is the angle with the point of contact from the center. So angle PAB equal to 90. Reason also there, tangents at any point of a circle is. Now perpendicular to the radius, this is the reason, radius through the point of contact. Now here we will take the triangle sum property, and after keeping the triangle sum property for triangle PAB, we will get the angle APB equal to 60. So look students, in this video part 1 we have covered question number 1 to 24. 1 mark each MCQ, 1 mark each very short answer questions, 2 marks each uh, uh, 2 marks each short answer questions. So learn and prepare them, and if your comments are there, then post your questions and comment in a comment section below. If you want to know more sums where you are facing the doubt, then also make the comment in comment box. If you find a video useful for your upcoming board examination, then like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you, and wait for the next upcoming video.